Here's a brief tutorial on how to start your Cornell notes. First, go to Module 1 in our CRE 101 Canvas course. In Module 1, you'll have a video with the overview and a checklist of items at the very front. Note that any assignment with the asterisk is something that we will complete in our in-class sessions. After that, you should see 3 pages that say Take Notes. These are the assigned readings on which you will take Cornell notes. To begin, click on the assignment Module 1 Notes. In this page, you will have an overview of the assignment. You will also have a direct link to directions on how to create notes in PDF form and some tips for great notes. You can review a student sample, use this template, and access these apps to transform your notes into PDF form if you are handwriting them. If you would like to use the template, it will take you to a link that makes you make a copy of the template. Once you click on the blue Make a Copy, you might want to add your name up at the top. And from here, you can add your notes on the assigned readings in this form. Go back to our course modules and begin reading the first page of notes, which is Take Notes, the Nature of Critical Thinking and Critical Reading. Now, I recommend always using the headings, like this one, as your key words or main ideas written as questions. So I'm going to transform this one into what is critical thinking. And as I'm reading this section and watching this video and clicking on these links to add information into these notes, I'm going to put any ideas about critical thinking in this section here. Once you have finished, you can upload this template with your notes into the assignment page. Make sure you don't forget that you need to take notes on all 3 of these pages, including any hyperlinked articles. Finally, always remember that it is my job to give you feedback on these notes. If you forget any content, but you show a valid effort to include information from all 3 assigned pages, the hyperlinked materials and the videos included in them, my feedback will guide you into areas that help you connect ideas, make greater sense, and note anything that might have been forgotten that you want to include so you have it when you go to take your quizzes or your final exam. This means that even if you get full credit, a 10 out of 10 on this assignment, you still might have some suggestions for improvement in my feedback. So always read your feedback from me before you set those notes aside and start the next modules.